the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe for 30 days of Indonesia. First of all, ignore the acne. It wants to say hello to you. So anyways, what is 30 days of Indonesia? This is a project that I started on Steemit, once decentralized website, but now it's centralized. At that time, I only did post recipes with pictures, but then much later on, 3 years after, I started using YouTube, which is a decentralized video platform that was built on Steemit and now also available on Hive. Hive is another decentralized website platform, which is super amazing, where the people are really supportive one to another. So check them out, Hive and YouTube. Anyways, 30 Days of Indonesia. This is a project where I try to introduce Indonesia using sweets, through sweets, for the next 28 or 29 days, while it is Ramadan, the holy fasting month for the Muslim. And as you know, in Indonesia, the majority are Muslim. So this is my way to introduce Indonesia with sweets, because for the next 28 to 29 days, they are doing the fast. And whenever they break their fast, they always eat traditional Indonesian sweets, cakes, desserts, or cold dessert, cold cake, cold icy milk. I mean, not icy milk, icy dessert. So anyways, today I have a recipe for Jemblem. It's called Jemblem, or sometimes they are known as misro, depending where you are from. In Indonesia, whether you are from West Java or Central Java, East Java. Anyways, this is made of cassava and coconut, grated cassava and grated coconut, and the center is brown sugar. But of course, the original recipe, the center is palm sugar. I'll see you soon. So what I have here is 450 grams of grated cassava. This was frozen before and I thaw it. As you can see, there's some water, some liquid there. You want the liquid to be gone, so I already strained most of them, but there's still visible liquid, as you can see. But I think that should be okay. I'm gonna add grated coconut. So for the grated coconut, I like this from Costco because they are longer than the one that I normally get from Walmart or Safeway or Save-On. This one's from Costco, about 1.5 cup, and we're gonna mix it. I have about half teaspoon of salt. So for this cake, some people likes it with coconut milk, grated coconut, while some others just pure grated cassava. So we're just gonna mix it, and then we're gonna take out some portion that we're gonna flat it, and then we're gonna fill the middle in the center with brown sugar. In Indonesia, obviously they use coconut palm sugar, the block one. So they would grate the palm sugar, or they would just cut it into chunks or pieces, but I'm gonna use brown sugar because my brown sugar, some of them are hardened and chunky. So these are my chunky brown sugar. What you want to do, just put it in the center, and then you shape it into balls or rounds or kind of oval like egg, and they will be fried after that. They are molded. I made about 10 of them from the ingredients. They are ready to be fried. You want a hot oil, but also on low medium heat, not high, so you don't quickly brown them too quick, too fast, that they are burned. So I fried 5 minutes on the other side, on one side, and 5 minutes on the other side. And this is what the inside is like. Super good.